this video I'm going to explain how you can add policies to your Shopify store. So I am on the admin page of Shopify here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on settings here at the very bottom, and if we scroll down all the way, you should be able to see policies in the second to last option here. So click on policies and it's going to look like this. So we can turn on return rules. You can read what this is about by clicking on turn on right here. And also we can manually input all of our policies. So return and refund policy. We can input this in this text box. We have a privacy policy, which again, we can either input here or create from template. If we click on create from template, it's going to automatically load this. And we can repeat the same process for the terms of service. As you can see, we can click on create from template. Again, it's going to write policies for us. Shipping policy here, you will need to manually input this one, and the contact information, again, we can create from template, and here we will have to fill out our personal information. The legal notice, however, is also going to need to be filled out by hand. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.